Let us have our example number 1 for the flexural members. A beam is built up from the following properties: 450 mm by 20 mm as flanges and 500 mm by 20 mm as web. All plated are 836 steel with Fy is equal to 248 megapascals, and the flanges are continuously connected to the web by means of fillet welds. The beam is simply supported at its ends and laterally supported only at supports. So determine the value of the allowable bending stress for lengths A 4 meters, B 6 meters, C 10 meters, and D 16 meters. Okay, so marami tayong klase ng unsupported length na gagamitin natin. Okay, so pinakita na rin sa atin, ito na yung naging built-up section natin. So meron daw tayong 450 by 20 mm na dalawang flange. So magkabila, nasa taas at nasa ibaba. And then, we also have the web as 500 by 20 mm. Okay? So first, doon muna tayo sa ating una. Okay. So, the unsupported length is, so we have the unsupported length, or the LB, is equal to 4.0 meters. Or, gamitin na natin in mm or 4,000 mm. Okay, so ano na nga yung ating first step? The first step is the compact check. Okay, compact check muna tayo. So una, para kay flange. So to solve this, for the flange natin, okay, so di ba meron tayo na BF over 2TF, and this should be less than or equal to 170 over square root ni Fy. Okay, ano ba yung base ng flange natin? So, the base of the flange is this one. Diba? So, ano ba yan? That is 450 mm. Okay. So, yun yung gagamitin natin. We have 450 mm over 2 times. Ano ba yung thickness ni flange? Binigay din sa atin. That is 20 mm. So, 2 times 20. And then, we have to check it by 170 over square root ni Fy. Ano ba given na Fy? May binigay sa atin. That is 248 megapascals. Okay, so now let us solve this. Ang makukuha natin sa left side is 11.25. Then while yung nasa right side naman is 10.795. Okay, so hindi natin nakuha na greater yung nasa kanan natin. Ang nag-greater ay yung nasa kaliwa. So ibig sabihin this is a non-compact. Okay, hindi siya nag-compact. O, check naman natin ngayon si web. So, using naman daw si web, we have D over TW, and i-check natin siya kay 1680 over square root ni Fy. Ano ba yung depth natin? Okay, take note na ang kailangan natin dito is the total depth. So, that is from the extreme fiber of the flanges. Okay, di ba meron lang sa atin is 500 mula para doon sa height lang ng web natin. Ang kailangan natin kuhanin is from flange to flange. Okay? So, alam natin that the height of the web is 500, while the thickness of the flanges are 20. Since dalawa sila, magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng 540 mm. Okay? So, our depth is 540 over. Ano yung thickness ng web natin? Okay, the thickness of the web is 20 mm. Okay, check naman daw natin siya kay 1680 over square root ni Fy, which is 248. Okay, so with this, let us solve yung nasa kaliwa. Yung nasa kaliwa, ang nakuha natin is 27. While yung nasa kanan naman, we have 106.680. So, sobrang layo. Kaya, ang nakuha natin dito ay compact. Okay. So, isa lang yung nag-compact sa atin, si Webb lang. So, masasabi natin ngayon that our section is partially compact section. So, kung ganon, still, tayo ay magpo-proceed pa din kay step 2 kasi hindi naman siya nag-non-compact, diba? So, let us proceed to step 2 wherein we have to check if it is laterally supported. Okay? So, check if laterally supported. So, how do we do that? We have to check for L1 and L2. Okay, so using first si L1. So, L1 is equal to 200 BF over square root ni Fy. So, we have 200. Again, ano na nga base ng flange natin? That is 450 over square root ng ating Fy which is 248. So, ang makukuha natin dito will be equal kay 5,715.006 mm. Okay? And then, let us check naman si L2. So, si L2, to check the L2, we have 137,900 over FYD over AF. Okay, so we have 137,900 divided by, ano na nga yung FY natin? We have 248. And then, ano yung total depth natin? That is 540. Divide by, okay, area ni flange. So, yung area ni flange, kunin lang din natin dito. That is 450 times 20. Okay? And then, ang makukuha natin ngayon na value ni L2 ay 9,267.473 mm. Okay, so nakuha na natin si L1 at si L2, identify na natin which is LC and which is LU. So sabi nga natin, di ba, si LC ay yung mas mababa at si LU ang mas mataas. So since mas mababa si 5,715, siya na ngayon si LC. At ito namang 9,000 yung ating LU. Okay? So i-check naman natin ngayon. Okay? 'Di ba ang LB daw natin ay, ang LB natin dito is 4,000 mm. So kung makikita natin, LB is less than LC. Okay, so kung ganon, if that is LB is less than LC, then this is laterally supported. So mas mataas kasi siya, 'di ba? So saan na nga magpo-proceed ito? 'Di ba? Meron tayong ang nangyari sa section natin at sa member natin is partially compact and laterally supported. So, ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin natin na formula para sa FB natin ay si FB is equal to Fy multiplied by 0.79 minus 0.000762 BF over 2TF multiplied by square root ni Fy. Okay? So, ito. But, again, provided that, diba, meron yan, na kailangan muna nating i-check if 170 over square root ni Fy, okay, is less than sa ating BF over 2TF, and this should be greater than or equal to 250 over square root ni Fy. Di ba kanina nakuha na natin si 170 over Fy and that is 10.795. And then, itong BF over 2TF natin, nakuha natin siya as 11.25. So, napatunayan na natin na mas mataas siya. So, ngayon, let's solve for 250 over square root ni Fy. Ang makukuha is 15 over 875. And which is, that is greater than. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nakagitna. So, okay ito. So, pwede na tayong mag-proceed dito sa may formula niya. Okay, so proceeding here, so, gamitin na natin yun. Solve na natin, or substitute na natin yung given. We have Fy. What is the value of Fy? That is 248 multiplied by 0.79 minus 0.000762 multiplied by, ano ba, si BF over 2TF. Di ba ito na yung nakuha natin? Sakto naman si 11.25. So, yan na yung gamitin natin. Then we multiply it by the square root of 248. So with this, ang makukuha natin na value ng FB ay equal kay 162.440 megapascals. Okay, so naka-megapascals na yan. So, kaya wala na kayong dapat pang i-divide na 1,000 or i-multiply na 1,000. Okay, so since we are talking about the stress, ibig sabihin, ito na po yung ating final answer. For letter A, if your unsupported length is 4 meters. Okay? Puntahan naman natin ngayon yung pangalawa. If unsupported length is equal naman kanino? So, LB is equal to, ano kasunod natin dito? We have 6 meters. 6 meters or this is 6,000 mm. Okay, ngayon, ang tanong, diba, sinisimo natin sa compact check. Si compact check ba, magbabago ba? Mababago ba yung BF, yung TF, yung depth, then yung ating web, thickness ng web? Diba hindi? So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangan ulitin pa yan. Alam na natin that this is partially compact section. Okay, so nabawasan na tayo. O, next naman natin, si L1 at si L2. Magbabago ba? Hindi, 'di ba? Kasi again, hindi naman natin ginamitan si L1 at si L2 ng value ni unsupported. Kasi yung si unsupported ang pinagbabasihan natin. So therefore, we have to check na lang if, ano ba si LB? Mas mataas ba siya kay LC? Nasa pagitan ba siya ni LC at ni LU? Or mas mataas siya kay LU? Okay? So sabi natin, LC is equal to 5,715.006 at si LU naman natin is 9,267.473. So, pareho silang mm. And then, si LB natin ngayon ay equal kay 6,000. Okay, so tignan natin. Alright, so upon observation, si LB daw ay greater than kay LC but less than kay LU. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? This is partially laterally supported. Tama. So, partially laterally supported. So, therefore, ang gagamitin na natin na value ni FB ay equal kanino? FB is equal to 0.6 Fy. Okay, kasi di ba si 0.66 is compact section and laterally supported. So, since this is partially compact section and partially laterally supported, then ito na lang yung gagamitin natin. 0.6 of multiplied by Fy. So, pinakamadali. So, we have 0.6 times 248. At ano ang makukuha nating value ni FB? That is 148.8 megapascals. And that is now your final answer. Okay? Next, what if, okay, so the unsupported length naman daw natin ay unsupported length LB is equal kay, check natin, we have 10 meters. 10 meters or this is 10,000 mm. Okay. So again, that is a partially compact section. Wala nang magagawa doon. Di na yan magbabago. Check na lang natin ngayon si LB. So, si LU natin is 9,267. So, kung mapapansin natin, 10,000 is greater than 9,267, right? So, therefore, ang nangyari pala sa atin is that si LB ay greater than kay LU. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? That is laterally unsupported. Okay. So, that is laterally unsupported. Okay. Ito pinakamabigat, di ba? Kapag napunta siya kay laterally unsupported, you have to check the beam if it is intermediate or long. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, check if intermediate or long beam. Okay, so using what? Using the provision or the condition of the square root nino ni 703,270 CB over FY, and then comparing kay L over RT, comparing kay 3516330 CB over FY. Okay. Ngayon, si CB, kailangan ba natin siyang isolve? Okay, hindi na. Why? Kasi hindi naman binigay sa atin yung mga moment values, right? So, ano pang sosolve natin doon? Hindi natin alam. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung direction. So, therefore, si CB natin dito is just equal to 1. Then, si FY given na sa atin. Si L na gagamitin nyo dyan, that is the lateral, the unbraced length. Okay, so si LB. Ngayon, ang wala na lang tayong value is value ni RT. So, kailangan pa natin isolve si RT. Okay, how do we solve now for RT? So, again, okay, so let us solve for RT. So, again, sabi nga natin, di ba, si RT daw po ay compression flange plus 1/3 of the compression web. Okay. Di ba, ito yon sabi natin. So, meron tayong given. Ito siya. So, ito yung ating neutral axis. So, here is your neutral axis. Ang kailangan lang natin is the compression flange. Ito siya. And then, 1/3 lang daw ng ating compression web. So, this one. So, 1/3 lang nito. Okay. Ngayon, lagyan natin ng labels. So sabi natin, our base of the flange is, balikan lang natin, 450. Diba? So, this is 450. And then, the thickness of the flange is 20. Then, the thickness of the web. Ano yung thickness ng web natin? That is also 20. Ngayon, ang kailangan lang natin is the 1/3. Okay. Di ba, yung buo daw ni ito ay 500. Tama ba? So, ngayon, kung kinalahati mo yan, pag kinalahati natin, that is 250. So, ang kailangan mo na lang kuhanan ng 1/3 is yung 1/3 ng 250. Very good. Okay, so yan na yon. Yan lang yung kailangan natin. Itong part lang na yan. Okay. Ngayon, pag nagsosolve tayo ng RT, take note, kailangan yung kuhanin yung inertia. Diba? So, kung ganyan ang nangyayari sa atin, magkakaroon pa tayo ng, di ba ang formula natin sa ating I, okay? So, Kuhanin muna natin saglit si 80. O, solve muna tayo kay 80. So, yung 80 natin dito na total area, but 80 na lang na maliit. Okay, kailangan lang natin kuhanin dyan is the flange and then the 1/3 of the web. So, that is 450 times 20 plus yung ating 1/3 ng compression web, that is 1/3 ng 250 multiplied by 20. So, ano makukuha natin? 80. 80 is equal to 10,666.667 mm squared. Okay, iano natin ito? Store natin kay A. O, para hindi tayo magkakaiba kasi syempre 'di ba mahaba din 'to. Okay, next naman natin, we have to solve for our IT. Okay. Ngayon si IT, 'di ba, ang formula natin kasi diyan is summation of IX plus AD squared. So, kapag ganyan ang nangyari sa atin, masyadong madiwara. Why? Kailangan mo kumuha ng area, pinapahaba pa niya. Diba? Pero, halimbawa, gawin natin itong naka-shade na ito. Imbis na nakatayo, gawin natin siyang nakapahiga. Pinahiga natin, yung parang ginagawa natin sa ating channel. Di ba ang nangyayari dyan, kapag gano'n na hinihiga mo, nagkakapalit si IX at si IY, right? Pero kung mapapansin ninyo, pag hiniga natin yan, at nandito yung ating x-axis, okay? E di, ito yung gitna ito yung gitna ng web, ito yung gitna ng ating compression flange. So, ibig sabihin, mawawala na yung ating AD squared, 'di ba? Kasi wala tayong makukuha value ni D. So, ibig sabihin, ito na lang yung kailangan natin, si IX na lang. So, yan po yung isang strategy din pagdating sa pagkuha ng IT. So, pwede mong ihiga yung inyong compression, yung pang compression flange as well as the 1/3 of the compression web. So, with that, since wala namang binigay na value ni IX, but we all know that I is equal to BH cube over 12, wala tayong problema. Okay? O, kuhanin muna natin. Doon muna tayo sa may compression flange. So, si compression flange, ano yung base niya? Mababago. Ang base na niya ay si 20. At ano ang magiging height niya? That is 450 cube over 12. Then again, wala na tayong magiging AD squared since wala naman tayong mapakuha value ni D dahil mag-0 lang siya. Plus, okay, o doon naman tayo sa may 1/3 ng compression web natin. Ano ang magiging bago nating base? So, the base will be, ito yung 1/3 ni 250. So, gawin na lang natin 250 over 3. Multiplied by the height. And what is the height? That is the thickness, which is 20. Cube over 12. So, with that, anong makukuha nating IT? So, si IT natin dito will be the value of 15,193,055.5.6 mm to the fourth. So, medyo mahaba. Kung isusulat natin ulit, store na lang natin. Store natin kay B. Okay? So, with that, okay, pwede na natin kuhanin si RT. So, how do we solve for RT? Okay, again, RT is equal to square root ni IT over 80. Saan na nga si IT natin? Si IT ay nakay B at si 80 naman ay nakay A. Okay, so with this, what will be the value of RT? The value of RT is equal to 119.5 346. Or store na lang natin kay C. Okay? Para pare-pareho tayo ng kalalabasan. So with that, pwede na tayong bumalik ulit sa ating condition. Okay? So solving this now, condition natin, square root ni 703,270. Ano si CB? Again, that is 1.0. Over, ano si FY? Si FY natin is 248. Okay, i-check natin siya kay LB. Ano yung LB natin dito? This is 10,000 over. Ano si RT? Na kay C. And then, i-check natin siya kay square root ni 3516330. At sisibol natin dito ay 1.0 lang divided by 248. Okay? So, check natin. Makukuha natin on the left side is 53.252. And then, si LB over RT natin, ang makukuha natin is 83.79. And then, yung nasa kanan naman is 119.075. So, kung mapapansin natin, nakagitna si LB over RT. So, si LB over RT, pakistore na natin ito. Kasi gagamitin din natin yan. So, i-store natin ito kanino? Okay, D naman. Okay. So, ngayon, if this is okay, pag nakagitna, ibig sabihin, this will be an intermediate beam. Okay, pag intermediate beam, ang gagamitin daw natin ay si FB1 at si FB3. Okay. Tignan natin, which is larger. We have FB1. Paano ba natin sinasolve si FB1? FB1 is equal to 2/3 minus FY LB over RT squared over 10.55 times 10 raised to 6 multiplied by CB. And then, quantity multiplied by FY. Okay? So, substituting the values, we have 2/3 minus, ano si FY natin? That is 248. And then, si LB over RT natin, di ba, nakastore na kay D. Store na natin. Okay, nagamitin natin. Okay, then square over 10.55 times 10 raised to 6 multiplied by 1.0. And then, quantity multiplied by the FY of 248. So, ano makukuha natin na FB1? FB1 here will be equal kay 124.404 megapascal. So, hindi pa natin siya i-consider as final answer. We still have to check the FB3. Okay, o kuhanin naman natin si FB3. So, to solve FB3, that is 82,740 times CB over LD over AF. Okay, so with this, let us substitute the given values. We have 82,740 times ano si CB natin? That is 1.0 over ano si length natin? Ang length natin dito is 10,000. And then, ano si D? The total depth natin kanina is 540 over, ano yung area ng flange? That is 450 times 20. And then, ang makukuha natin ngayon na value ni FB3 ay equal kay 137.90 megapascals. So, kung makikita natin, FB3 is greater than FB1. Okay, pero again, hindi pa natin masasabi that FB3 will govern. Okay, we still have to check the 0.6 FY. Okay, checking now for 0.6 FY. Okay, we have 0.6 times 248. And ano daw, si 0.6 times 248, that is 148.8. Nakuha na natin ito kanina, megapascals. Since hindi nag-exceed si FB3 kay 148.80, then we can now say, okay, ngayon pa lang natin masasabi na use FB3 is equal to 137.90 megapascals. And that will now be your final answer. Okay, so we are now done with the third, and let us proceed now to the last one. Unsupported length of, ano daw yung LB natin dito? I think 16. Yes, that is 16 meters. 16 meters, or that is 16,000 mm. Okay. So dito, sabi nga natin kanina, 'di ba, LB na 10,000 is greater than LU na. So, masasabi na rin natin dito that LB is greater than LU. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? This is laterally unsupported. So, laterally unsupported. Okay, so next step natin is to check if long or intermediate beam. Okay, so check if intermediate or long beam. Di ba nakuha na natin kanina yung combination, yung mga given natin? Ito, saan na yun? This one. Mababago ba itong dalawa? Hindi. Okay, tama. Hindi po yan mababago. So, kunin na lang natin. We have 53.252, and then, dapat natin siyang ma-check kay LB over RT. Then, yung ating kanan is 119.075. Okay. So, with that, let us solve for LB over RT. What is our LB over RT? Ano yung LB natin? So, dito na lang, LB over RT. Si LB natin is 16,000. Over, ano si RT? Na kanino si RT? Siya ay nakastore kay C. So, with that, anong nakuha natin? Si LB over RT daw ay equal kay 134.064. Okay, store nyo na agad yan. Store natin kanino? Kay E naman. Okay, so kung titignan natin, si LB over RT is 134.064. Uy, mas mataas na siya kay 119.075. So, ibig sabihin, this is a long beam. Okay, long beam. So, kapag long beam, ang gagamitin naman natin ay si FB2 at si FB3. Okay, gamitin natin si FB2. If using FB2, that is 1,172,100 multiplied by CB over LB over RT squared. Okay? So, ngayon, let us just substitute the given values. Ano si CB? Yes, again, that is 1.0 only. And then si LB over RT natin, na-store na natin siya kay E. So, ibig sabihin, E squared. Then, anong makukuha natin na value ni FB2? Ang value ni FB2 will be 65.214 megapascals. Okay? But again, di pa yan final answer because we still have to check the value of FB3. Okay? Using the same formula, 82,740 CB over LD over AF. Okay? Substitute the given values, 82,740 times 1.0 divided by, ano si L natin? L is equal to 16,000 yung gamit natin. And then the D is 540 divided by the area ng flange, 450 times 20. Then what will be the value of FB3? So the value of FB3 is equal to 86.1875 megapascals. So which is greater? So si FB3 is greater than FB2. But we still have to check again si 0.6 Fy. Di ba si 0.6 Fy ay 148.8 megapascal. So ibig sabihin mas mataas siya. So therefore, our answer will be use FB3 is equal to 86.1875 megapascals. Okay? So with that, that is now our final answer. Okay, so this is how we solve for flexural members. So, na-try natin laterally supported. Na-try natin partially laterally supported. We also tried the long beam and then the intermediate beam.